Hi everyone, Tony here. Have you ever received a document or an email that ends with fine print that you can't read? Even if you could, you couldn't understand it? Today I'm showing you how I use Gemini AI to make that problem a thing of the past. I received a merger email from American Water and Essential Utilities. They promised clean water, no rate change, but at the bottom of the email was packed with all this tiny text. So I went to the top and I clicked on view this email in your browser, which took me to here. So I started scrolling down and there it was again, that tiny fine print. So I went up here, I clicked my three little dots, went down to my zoom button, zoomed it in to 250. Well, now I could read it. But the problem is I couldn't understand it. The meaning of Section 27A of the Securities Act of 1933, Securities Change Act of 1934, Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Wow, you almost have to be a lawyer to understand this. And all I want to know is if my bill's going up now or in the future. So I went to Google Gemini and I entered a prompt, which I will leave in the description in case you need to create one yourself or to see what I am doing. And all it says is, review this article about the merger between American Water and Essential Utilities, including the fine print. Summarize 5 pros and cons of the merger. Confirm whether the article states there will be no rate increase, and explain if my water bill could still increase in the future. Here's the link. So then I'll go over here and I'll copy the link from the page it took me to, and I will just paste it in there. And then we will hit submit. Now, within seconds, Gemini has got all my answers. It's got the pros of the merger, the cons of the merger, rate impact, explaining everything I needed to know about what's in that fine print. So Gemini did an outstanding job. It translated the legal jargon into plain English so I could finally see the big picture. Don't let the fine print win. Use AI to stay informed. If this helped you, hit subscribe for more tutorials.